ni Kemsa.
Kama ni Kemsa.
Tarehe ngapi leo?
It is unfortunate that the first series of significant anti-corruption actions by this administration are once again in Kemsa. It is unfortunate that as the new administration was walking in, the first call of duty in as far as stopping corruption on its tracks landed in Kemsa. This organization has suffered the unnecessary disrepute of grand corruption and tainted the overall image of the government, both past and present. You know that when people out there are talking about corruption, the name Kemsa comes in every other minute. This has been done like Kemsa, or it is not as bad as Kemsa, or this is worse than Kemsa. This has to stop. Mr. Chairman, Bwana CEO, Bwana PS, our good senior management sitting here, it has to stop, and you have to stop at once. We cannot continue seeing the good name of Kemsa being destroyed by the few elements, very few elements amongst you, who are out to destroy this country in the name of enriching themselves through bribery, corruption, theft, fraud, and all what it takes to steal the money of government. Last month, His Excellency the President released the Principal Secretary for Public Health and Professional Standards and effected other changes within Kenya Medical Service Supplies Agency, Kemsa, and the Ministry of Health. His Excellency the President also transferred several Principal Secretaries and has since nominated 2 new replacements in due regard. His Excellency the President has pronounced himself on corruption with firm resolve. Though he takes little pleasure in disrupting his government in such a grave manner, he will not hesitate to take such action again for the sake of the great people and nation of Kenya. I have noted that from 1st July, the contracts of 200 staff members rendered redundant will not be renewed as the organization adopts a designed performance and service-oriented organizational structure. So, if you are exiting, don't mourn. Exit knowing that you have exited to make Kemsa work. Because you can come around and become a supplier. You need to have an institution that you know people, that you can come here and supply, and you are paid, and you are happy. So I support rationalization, I support reconfiguration, I support staff evaluation, job evaluation. I support restructuring to make sure that human resource structure is responsive to what Kemsa is meant for.